Hey, yeah, welcome back. If you don't know me, I'm TK, and this channel is all about doing some makeup, doing some food, and having a lot of fun. So if that sounds like a good time to you, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure that you leave me a like on this video and comment if you got something to say. I'm always willing to talk. So tonight we're going to be doing our BYOB thing that my niece, Mascaras and Mixers, and I do every other month for each other. It's kind of like if you were to get a BoxyCharm from your best friend, because they know exactly what you want. And BoxyCharm, even though you fill out the survey and it takes you like 20 minutes, like they don't know. They still send you shit you don't need. That's what this video is going to be about this week. And if that sounds like fun to you, stick around and we'll be right back and get into it.
Yeah. Oh, they don't know me like they think they know me.
Okay. You know, I am screwing around with my lighting. I don't know how to do lighting. If anybody does, please tell me. But I messed with my lighting, so if this video looks a little bit different than the others, just bear with me. It's what I'm going with. Because it's who I am as a person. Let's open up this box and let's get into what is inside of it. The budget for the box that we've set for each other is $35. So we've only spent $35 plus, I guess, the $6 that it takes to ship the box. You know how BoxyCharm always puts a card in there, tells you how much each thing, the value of each thing, and what the value of the box is? So we do that electronically in email because save the planet. I did not do a look because I did not know what was going to be in this. I was like, should I do brows? Watch there be brow pencils in here. So I didn't do a look or anything because I didn't know this might be in here. But this box is a fabulash box. I'm excited about this because I'm always screwing up my lashes. My lashes grow straight out. So this is what I learned recently was that I am of part Native American descent. So my hair, you know, I mean, it's one of the reasons that my hair is bone straight. It's one of the reasons that my lashes grow straight out or kind of down. People who are Native, and I learned this from Trixie Mattel, apparently. Yeah, she knows. Your lashes just don't, like, they grow straight out, and your hair really isn't responsive to much stuff. So, like, it's hard to perm my hair. To be honest, in the 80s, I could get my hair permed and it worked out fine. It worked out great every single time. But I believe in the 80s, they were probably using like depleted uranium to perm hair or something like that. I mean, everybody had to have a perm. So I can imagine that maybe perm solution has changed a little bit since then. Maybe become safer. I don't know. Maybe become less harsh. But I can tell you this, for me, my hair, probably since I was in my late 20s, my hair won't perm anymore. Like it stays straight, and my lashes just grow straight out. I don't know if you could see that, but you know, they don't curl up. And even when I use like a regular curler, like just the eyelash curler, nothing. I use a lighter literally to heat up my, don't do this. Do not do this. It shouldn't be done. Don't. But I use a lighter to heat up my eyelash curler and do it. And then, because my hair will respond to heat, so then they'll curl up a little bit. But beyond that, no. And I've messed with so much stuff. I love the fact that this is a lash box. And I do now wear false lashes. So she said in her card, this month's box will have you looking fabulous. Each item in the box is designed to take your lashes from limp and listless to big, bold, blackest black. First, plump up your lashes with the Ulta Beauty Maximum Lashes Mascara. Oh, there's a thing in here. Wait a minute. Hold up. Hold everything. Look at this. Shit. That is me. No, I can't. Thank you so much, sweetie. I love this. I love this. There it is. Oh, yes. Look at that. A nice, big, plumping mascara brush. I love it. Like, it doesn't clump. Okay, so I have a lot of... I'm going to tell you what. I have some NARS mascara in here that clumps like crazy. It clumps like a 1980s Maybelline mascara. I'm not even kidding. This is great. Thank you so much. All right, then apply your favorite pair of Lash Scoop lashes. Ooh. Dang, she knows me so well. Look at these babies. I love a good, long, like, dramatic lash. If not a drag lash. Drag lashes are the bomb. Drag queens get all the good stuff. You're going to want to check out my video on Wednesday called Amateur Follows. So I'm going to be filming that video next. It's going to be up Wednesday, and you will get to see all of this stuff used. Store your extra lashes in your lash luggage. Lash luggage? Oh, I have never heard. Oh my gosh, there's 2 pairs of there's 2 pairs of lashes. Ooh. Oh no, I don't even know which ones to use in my video. I don't even know. Lash luggage. Have y'all ever heard of anything like that? Is this what that is? This is adorable. Oh my gosh. Look. Look at this. It's lashes. It's luggage. It's luggage. Look at that. It's like a little thing. Look, and the handle comes up. Oh my gosh. This is adorable. This is as adorable as my niece. Seriously. And she is fucking adorable. Have that ready. I love that. I love the spirit of it. There's some other things in here that she promised to send me. Sephora, did you sneak in one of your Advent box items? No, that's just kidding. No, this is a pencil that I wanted to try that she said she would send it to me in the box. So it is not part of the box. But there are just a couple items in here I don't want to miss. So I want to make sure that I get them out. And yeah, I only kind of meant that thing about the Sephora Advent box because they're just... What do? Do you just like walk around the store and gather up like all the little stuff that nobody bought and then go, oh, let's make an Advent calendar with it? Oh my gosh, there's another t-shirt in here. Oh my goodness, another t-shirt. Look at this. Makeup queen. Yes, sis. The last thing in the box. This was supposed to be all lashes, but we've gotten a little bit off track, but it's fine because it's all been fun. And let's see, store your extra lashes lash luggage. That is worth... The value on that is $20.99. Ooh, that is nice. When you're ready to clean, mix some water and lash shampoo. Okay, I'm sure she knew this because this has been something that's been frustrating me ever since I started wearing false lashes, was how to freaking clean them because it's so frustrating to try to get the glue off and then not ruin the lashes. Because I have tried things like soaking in micellar water, which doesn't work. It doesn't ruin the lash, but it doesn't work. I've tried soaking in baby oil, which kind of works, but ruins the lash. So, lash shampoo? Yeah, thank you. I could use that because I've ruined like 2 pair of kind of expensive drag lashes because I was trying to get the glue off of them. I'd like to use them more than twice, thanks. So this is fantastic. This is lash shampoo from Revue's Boutique. There you go. And I will definitely be using this to clean some lashes because I have some that are like just waiting for a miracle. And I'm hoping this is it. So thank you very much. And she says, then load it into your lash washing machine. Batteries not included. A washing machine? Like, this is the miracle I've been waiting for. It's a Christmas miracle. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Okay. I think I figured it out. Okay, this is the battery goes in the bottom, right? And then you put your lashes. I haven't figured it out. I'll figure it out. I have to look for some instructions. I guess you put your lashes in there. And you turn it on. There's a button here. You turn it on. How weird was it that I pushed that button and my lighting did some weird thing? Okay, you turn it on. Oh, this is a draining hose. I'm like, what is this thing? What is this thing for? It's a drain hose. Okay. I am going to give this a shot. Okay, listen. I have some lashes that are waiting to be resurrected. They desperately need this washing machine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go get some batteries and some water, and we are going to give this puppy a try. I'll be right back. Okay, so my bra strap always goes rogue. Okay, so before we get into, I've got my water, got my lash shampoo, I got a pair of lashes from OMFG lashes that I've been wanting to wear again, but they're pretty gunky. Okay, so, but before we get into washing these lashes, let's just run down the box again. We have the Ulta Beauty Maximum Lashes Mascara. Okay, the value on that is $10.50. We have the 2 pair of Lash Scoop lashes, which are gorgeous, and you get a tune-in on Wednesday for my video. I'm going to be wearing one pair of these, probably this one because I really like the shape of it. So 2 of the Good lashes, so those are $7.99 a pair. Lash Scoop lashes, those are $7.99 a pair. We have lash luggage. I absolutely love this. I really, really love this. I can't wait to use it. This is, the value is $20.99. And we have lash shampoo from Revue's Boutique, which is also a value of $20.99. And we have a lash washing machine, which we are going to try out right now, which is $5.95. We're going to give that a try right now, and we're going to try to wash a pair of these OMFG lashes that are just waiting for a miracle so I can use them again. So that makes the grand total of this box $74.45. That is great. Let's try this. Let's start with the shampoo. How to use. Shake well. Dispense 1 pump and clean lashes using a makeup brush. What? Rinse lashes and allow them to dry. And okay, all right. Well, we're gonna try that. We're gonna try washing them, and I have this perfect little thing to wash it on. So I'm gonna see if I can. It says to use a makeup brush. So I'm gonna try this one. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna try to clean this. So let's do. It says dispense 1 pump. Okay. Oh, it's foamy. Okay, I get it. All right. Well, I would assume that what I'm supposed to clean with this is the lash band. I don't know. You know, I don't feel like lashes that are really good quality like this should be limited to, you know, I think you should be able to use them and use them and use them. It's just a matter of being able to find something that will take off the glue without taking the ginger out of the lash, you know? So that's what we're going to try here. And I feel like that as we're cleaning the edges, that when I was first brushing them, the edge was really, really sticky. And now I feel like some of that soap has come off. I can certainly see that the makeup that was the eyeshadow that was stuck to it is off, has come off. So, okay, there's our perfectly soapy lashes. Let's see what happens when we run them in the little blender washer here. So I'm using this really clever stand for my washer from Yankee Candle. It's literally just a Yankee Candle. Here we go. I'm going to put some water in here. I don't know how much. And I have it like next to this thing just in case it just all runs out. Which it did not. I guess you keep the hose up until you're ready to drain it. That seems the smartest thing to me. And so now let's stick our lashes in it. Really is like you could just put. All right, and see what happens. Ooh. Wonder how long a lash cycle is supposed to be. I don't know. This is riveting. This is absolutely riveting YouTubery right here. What do you do now? Do you just, what do you do? I guess you put the, you put the tube down and it just drains. Okay. This is sort of some Mythbustery stuff here, which I love. Okay. We're going to take our lashes out and see how they did. Okay, we are about to pluck our lashes from the depths of the lash machine. Oh. Probably the only thing I ever use these. Do y'all use these to put lashes on? Because I don't. I found them to be very awkward and I couldn't really get them. There they are. Well, yeah. Oh, well, they are properly. Hey! Okay, wait a minute. Now, listen. Yeah, they're a little stuck together, but they are cleaner. They definitely, the band is a lot. Listen, I want to show you this. I do, but you can't. I want to show you how nice these are. My camera is an idiot. Yes, I'm talking to you. So, it won't focus, but I'm gonna tell you this: they're beautiful and they're rinsed and they're much cleaner. That band is a lot cleaner. Honestly, that soap worked wonders. I could probably get another I don't even know how many wears out of these because now I can clean them. Oh, I'll put it up against my giant forehead. Absolutely intact, beautiful. Sorry if you're watching from OMFG Lashes and you thought I was going to ruin these and have to buy new ones. I don't. Haha. Right, so between the lash cleaner and then rinsing them in the washer, I don't know if I really have to rinse them in the washer, but it's fun to do. Yes, I have now cleaned a pair of lashes and I'm going to get a lot more use out of them. And I'm thrilled with that because they are one of my favorite pairs of lashes. So I am going to look lashtastic with this box. Thank you very much to Mascaras and Mixers. Don't forget to go over to her channel and see what all is in the box that I sent her for this month. We are going to see you again doing boxes in March. So we're doing them every other month, even though I know this one is in February and every other month would be, but it was supposed to be January, USPS, you know the deal. And I hope that wherever you are, you're having a great morning, a great afternoon, a great evening, or a great night. And I will see you. Hopefully I'll see you Wednesday, but I'll see you in my next one. Bye, y'all.
Louboutin dripping, fucking bleeding out my sneaks. Throw my crown at your face in case you forgot I was king. I hope it leaves a mark if you forget where you're destined to be. Higher than wings, flying outside of desert Syria.